Hey, Jenny here. You guys are in for a big treat. Normally, Nikki is hiding in a corner while Mark is doing his videos, but today you get to hear from Nikki as she walks you through the depot. And I'm just voicing over the first part of her video. She was just talking about how we are going to be painting and a little bit delayed because of weather, but that should be happening soon, and a little bit of landscape cleanup.
Okay, down here at the north end of the building is the unit that we are going to start photographing and advertising. It's not cleaned yet. I'll have the cleaner up here in the next couple days, but we can at least get photographs and get it advertised so we can start showings. Like mentioned in the exterior video, it does need painting on the outside still, and then the guys are also just going to hit all these stairs, hopefully with just some black paint to clean them up. They're kind of old and not amazing, but we did do some work to fix them up, and I think a good coat of black paint will make them look 100% better. Like mentioned, I think this unit is completely done other than cleaning. So you walk in, you have a pretty good sized living room, baseboard heat, fan, window there, your view, nothing too exciting. Dumpster will be gone. You do have a full kitchen with full-size appliances. Fridge still has the protective plastic on the bottom so it looks blue. But fridge, dishwasher, stove, microwave, all full-sized. Sink, countertop. Go back this way. All of these are 1-bedroom, 1-bath units, so they're all exactly the same. Some of them are flip-flopped mirror image, but all the same. So pretty good-sized bedroom. Window, closet. I don't have a tape measure with me, but I would estimate these rooms are 10 by 12, so I think pretty good sized. Bathroom's kind of small, but we just kind of had to work with what we were given. Little 18-inch vanity, toilet. I don't usually do medicine cabinets, but we did a medicine cabinet here just because you have that lack of storage and this little vanity. Toilet. We did go ahead and tile all these showers just to make them a little bit nicer, a little bit higher end. Shower insert down there at the bottom. They all do have windows for ventilation. That's pretty much it. So like I mentioned, I think we're gonna get this listed so we can start advertising stuff. Probably list these available. I mean, this one's available now as soon as we get it cleaned, but July 1st, July 15th, the rest of them I'm hoping to be done. Some of them still need baseboard. I'm waiting on 2 appliance packages, a couple other little odds and ends in most of them, and then just putting the cleaner through all of them and getting the outside ready, looking a little bit nicer. So I think that's it. Hallway to the joint utility room, laundry room for the 8 units. We did just get 2 new washers and 2 new dryers in here this last week. It still needs some cleanup and baseboards replaced. But these are all in here and they will need programmed to the price that we want everything set at, but that's that area.
So that is the update. I think Nikki did a great job, and I hope in the future she'll be brave enough to do some more walkthroughs for us. I could not do this without her, and I appreciate everything she does. I know in the past she was always hiding in the corner while Mark did his videos, so I think we need to see more of Nikki. What do you guys think? Head over to Instagram and give us a follow, InvestFourMore. I'm going to be doing more frequent updates on Instagram, not as long and thorough as these YouTube videos. These videos take a little longer to edit, and right now I'm running more at an Instagram stories kind of speed, but I'm going to do my best to continue what Mark started and at least give you guys closure to some of these projects that he started. So thanks for being here. I appreciate you all so much.